great day. Today I will be showing you how to make a special recipe. Are your bananas getting overripe? This recipe will be the solution to your problem. I'll be showing you guys how to make banana bread. This recipe is very easy, healthy, and also very delicious. So if you want to learn how to make this quick recipe, watch till the end of the video. Okay guys, now I'll be showing you all the ingredients we need. Starting off with the key ingredient, ripe bananas. Followed by flour, vegetable oil, milk, vanilla essence, baking soda, sugar, 2 large eggs, salt, and now we're going to add all the wet ingredients in a bowl, but first we're going to smash up 3 bananas. After smashing the bananas for about 3 to 5 minutes, they should be looking like this. Now we can add the vegetable oil, followed by the milk and the 2 large eggs. Okay, now we can just take a whisk and whisk this up. Make sure you whisk vigorously and mix everything thoroughly. So the consistency should be looking like this after mixing about for 3 to 5 minutes. Now we're going to put that bowl aside and we're going to take a new bowl for the dry ingredients. Starting off with the all-purpose flour. I'm using a spatula, but you can use a whisk as well. Next we're going to add the brown sugar, you can use white as well, baking soda, salt, and we can mix everything together. Now we'll add the dry ingredients gradually to the wet. So I'm going to add it in fourths. Just going to add the flour bit by bit. As shown. Don't add too much at a time because it can get really lumpy, especially the batter for this specific recipe because of the bananas. So we're just going to continue doing that until our batter runs out. Make sure to mix very thoroughly. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Just going to scrape the edges of the bowl, and now we can whisk again. The consistency should be looking like this after you've mixed thoroughly. And now you can pour it into your baking tray. I'm using a bread mold and I coated it with oil so it doesn't stick and it comes out easily. As you see, I'm just scraping off the batter from the bowl and putting it in the baking tray. Now just tap it on the table for like a few times so there's no air bubbles, and we can bake it. After baking it, it should be looking like this. Just put a toothpick in to see if it comes out clean as shown. And now we can flip it over and see how easily it comes out. It looks great. I'm just going to flip it upside down again I'm going to take a knife and cut into some pieces. Should make sure it's well cooked like that. As you see, I'm showing you the bread texture. It should be looking like this. Now I'm just going to break it in half and show you that it has fully cooked. As you see, it is fully cooked. Okay guys, now we're done with the recipe. I hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and I hope you have a wonderful day onwards. Bye!